What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here with you tonight with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about don't join MyEcon if. Now, I know some of you may be wondering what the if is all about, and I'm going to tell you that here in a moment. But first of all, I just want to take this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers. Thank everybody who has just subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and like the video, share the video, give me some comments below if you have any questions. Now, here's the thing. Don't join MyEcon if you're not going to apply the strategies. That's just it, point blank. If you're going to join MyEcon just to promote the business opportunity side and you're not going to apply the strategies, you're defeating the whole purpose of even joining MyEcon. MyEcon is a personal financial success company that thrives on teaching people how to fix their finances. Okay, that's why I always try to, people that join me, I always try to encourage them to do the first strategy inside of MyEcon, which is revisit your W-4, because when you do that, that puts more money back into your paycheck, back into your household that you can now start using to eliminate debt. Okay, and as you're eliminating debt, that puts more money back into your household. The next thing you want to do while you're in the process of eliminating debt, you want to look at some of the expenses that you have. What are some of the things that you have that you can reduce the cost of, or just maybe even simply get rid of? Maybe it's Hulu, Netflix, and you have all these other subscriptions. Narrow it down to one that you want to keep and let the others go. Maybe you can get some money back, lower your cell phone, smartphone bill, things like that. Look at those things and see what you can eliminate, and thing. The next thing you want to do, you want to start doing getting your savings account and emergency fund set up with that money that you're saving, because let's keep it real. Some people don't have an emergency fund. If something happened to your vehicle, look, you have to go into your paycheck and you have to pay to get that vehicle fixed, which puts you further and further in debt. You need to have an emergency fund. The Smart Credit Repair Kit inside of MyEcon teaches you, shows you step by step how to repair your own credit without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, or monthly fees to get this thing done. Okay, which can put more money back into your pocket. The cashback mall. You shop in the cashback mall, you save a certain percentage on the items that you buy. Not only that, but you pay yourself for shopping in your own mall. Yes, you give yourself a commission for shopping in your own mall. Okay, what else? You have products inside of MyEcon that you can sell as standalone products. You can sell the smart credit repair system. You can sell the identity theft. You can sell a roadside service. You can sell coffee. You can sell some weight loss product, the identity theft product. You can sell those things as standalone and also make money in MyEcon without recruiting a single person. Too many people come into MyEcon simply because they have saw somebody who showed them their back office, or the commissions that they made and whatever the case, and then you're in your mindset you're going to make that same amount of money. I'm here to tell you it's likely not going to happen, because one thing you have to understand, the people that show you that, and I don't, but the people that show you that, there's nothing wrong with it. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying anything's wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with showing proof of income. Okay. I mean, it's done on JVZoo, it's done on ClickBank, sales pages and all of that good stuff. There's nothing wrong with it. But herein lies the problem. When you see those people that showing that proof of income, and you join them, and then you can't get a hold of them, you can't get in contact with them for a simple question and things like that, and they are supposed to be your sponsor. Now, hey, understand, we do have a support group on Facebook, where you can go in there and ask questions. We do have that support group also provides you with all types of of Facebook training, this, that, and the other. It have Craigslist training in another group. You know, we have trainings, live call, live Zooms that you can get in on. But so many people, they get caught up in just making the money that they don't even take time to go through the training. They won't take time to do what needs to be done, and then you want to quit and complain and saying that it's a scam when you really never gave it to MyEcon an opportunity to do what it's supposed to do for you. And if you did what was supposed to be done, you would be following the strategies inside of MyEcon. Because when you follow the strategies and apply the strategies, and the strategy has an effect in your life where your finances are getting right, then you don't have to have anybody else's proof. You can take your own proof that it works. One, the W-4 works. Two, you're eliminating debt. Three, you got rid of some expensive. You're saving money for an emergency fund. You're fixing your credit. They went up some point. Those are things that you can show people. You can show people you're saving money back in your own mall. Hey, get them to shop in your mall with you, and you make money and they save money. Okay, do you understand what I'm saying? Everybody wants to come in a business in MyEcon and just want to sponsor, but you're not applying the strategy. You have to be a product of the product. Y'all, that's one of the first cardinal rules inside of network marketing. You have to be a product of the product. I don't even care if it's affiliate marketing. I think that if you're going to sell me an affiliate product, maybe you might ought to have some of that product. You know what I'm saying? But that's not the case. You know, affiliate marketing is a little different than network marketing. But you have to apply the strategy so you can tell somebody firsthand, look, this worked for me. You can show them proof that it worked for you. Don't join MyEcon if you're not going to apply the strategies. That's just the way I feel about it. You know, I'm not saying you can't join, but I'm just saying don't join if you're not going to apply the strategy. Don't join if the only thing you're joining MyEcon or any business opportunity for is just for the money. Look, there are a lot of people making a lot of money in MyEcon or whatever business they're in, and they still don't know the strategies of MyEcon. Okay, a lot of people don't know about, you know, I have a job and I have a business and I can apply this first strategy and get more money back that can help fund your business, you know. So there are some things in MyEcon that's offered that other business opportunities can't offer you or don't offer you. But don't join MyEcon if you're not going to apply the strategies. Okay, that's just my humble opinion. Now, everybody has their opinion, and that's fine with me, but I wouldn't recommend anybody joining MyEcon if you're not going to apply the strategies that are laid out for you. If you're not going to follow the training inside of MyEcon, then what's the sense of even joining? You know, if it's all about just making money, hey, sell ClickBank product, sell JVZoo product, sell something else, you know, if it's just about the money. If you're not about helping yourself, if you're not about helping people, then you're probably in the wrong business. Okay. That's just the way I feel about that. That's just my opinion. Everybody has their own opinion. But look, if you're going to really succeed with MyEcon, okay, if you're going to succeed, if you really want to make it in MyEcon, apply the strategy. If you're not going to apply the strategies, don't join MyEcon. So that's all I have to say about that. That's the end of this video. As I said, thank all of my subscribers, all of y'all who have just subscribed. If you have any questions and you want to join MyEcon, if you're going to apply the strategy, then get in contact with me, you know, or there will be a link in the description. So click that link in the description. Go ahead and get signed up with MyEcon and the system. Contact me so I know that you're in, and so we can do a one-on-one Zoom or whatever the case may be, and you know, to try to help you get going in the right direction within your MyEcon back office. Okay, the steps that you need to take to get going in the right direction. Apply the strategies first. Okay. Now, if you're good at marketing and you think you don't need the strategy, then so be it. but join MyEcon and apply the strategies to your life. With that being said, y'all have a good night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace. See you later.